Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by capturing evidence quickly, reproduce the exception access violation, and note the exact steps, time, and process name. Once done, collect a crash dump and the event viewer entry, saving them as DMP and evtex files so you can analyze later. Make sure to run the application as administrator to see if privileges are the cause, and take a system snapshot or restore point before changing drivers or registry entries. This preserves a rollback if anything breaks. You now analyze the dump with WinDBG or Visual Studio to find the faulting module and instruction pointer. Symbols are essential, so load the correct PDBs to get meaningful function names. Next, inspect the call stack for null dereference or heap corruption patterns and compare loaded module versions. While doing that, isolate external factors, disable overlays and background hooks, roll back recent GPU or audio drivers, and perform a clean boot to see whether a service or driver is triggering the access violation. You apply the fix that matches your diagnosis. Patch or recompile the faulty module to add bounds or null checks, update or rollback device drivers, or remove conflicting hooks from third-party apps. Once patched, validate by reproducing the scenario repeatedly and running a stress test while monitoring for memory leaks and race conditions. If issues persist, capture fresh dumps and logs, escalate to the vendor or dev team with evidence, and if needed, restore the system snapshot to return to a known good state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.